So hello guys, my name is Captain Dial. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. Please press the like, share, subscribe. But today, what are we going to talk about? We're going to talk about best Chinese schools in the Philippines. So we're going to talk about Chinese schools in the Philippines, the best Chinese schools. So why should your child study in the Chinese schools? Because one of the most learned languages in the world, for people learning for enjoyment, for opportunities, or both in Mandarin Chinese, and the benefits of learning a second language, particularly in Chinese, include improvement, judgment, and increased creativity. Aside for better employment opportunities, there are immediate advantages like understanding one of the oldest cultures in the world, and learning the indicate pictograms and semiphonetic ideograms that make up its character, and having the chance to communicate with the biggest population in the world to promote Filipino Chinese community in the Philippines. Even Filipino parents can bring Filipino kids to the Chinese schools, and even Chinoy kids can even learn more Chinese Mandarin in school. So that's the whole meaning of why should you study your child in a Chinese school. It's really, really important to learn Chinese because you can have high salary because of studying on Chinese school. So we're going to start. So first is Xavier School. Why Xavier? So Shui Xavier or Guang Ji Xie Xiao is a Jesuit Catholic college preparatory school that features unique Filipino and Chinese characters. The school and a K-12 institution with a three-level curriculum for early education, grade school, and high school. So was established by a Society of Jesus, and on June 6, 1956, it is open business with a first class more than 170 pupils and a 1.5 hectare property in Etague, Manila. Then they transferred to Green Hill San Juan warehouse. So I mean, first warehouse, then they transferred to a 7.5 hectare in San Juan. So it is an only boys school. So this school is only boys school. So Xavier is really, really beautiful for boys, and the tuition fee here is 150K, 280K pesos. So that's for Xavier. I really, really recommend Xavier for your children because they're good at English. The Chinese is okay, and the school is beautiful. So next is Immaculate Conception Academy, Green Hills. So it started in the Missionary Sisters. It's a Catholic institution. So the owners and operators of Eco Green Hills. So it is a primary and secondary school that is not publicity traded or non-profit. So the Missionary Sister of Immaculate Conception Academy is a Catholic institution, and it was founded in 1936. So the school community is founded in Jesus Christ and has the spirit of Phil Chai character. Students of Ika Intramuros in 1960s were prepared to transfer to Ika Green Hills, which continue primary school and kindergarten. After that, from Ika Intramuros to Ika Green Hills in 1975. So it's Ika Green Hills. So this is an all-girls school. You will learn Chinese. Their Chinese is really, really good, and you can learn. The campus is big, and it's located in San Juan City. So the tuition fee here is 120K to 270K pesos. So next is St. Jude Catholic School. So it becomes into the Chinese subject. St. Jude has the best education in Mandarin Chinese. They use Taiwanese Chinese or the traditional way of Chinese language. So if you say traditional, they use Taiwanese Chinese, so not the China Chinese or the simplified. So or the long cut ones, the long cut Chinese. So people who study Saint Jude, that's what people believe, that if you study Saint Jude, you are smart. That's Pero I believe that's true. That's really true. So So Father Peter Yang, who founded St. Catholic School in 1963. So Father Peter Yang is minister to lead the Chinese population in Manila to be makajos or to be in God. So St. Jude Catholic School, it has a competitive admission process. It means some people will not pass in St. Jude and some people will pass in St. Jude. So mostly 12% acceptance rate here in St. Jude. So you should it doesn't mean that you should be smart, but it means you should, if you take the entrance exam here in St. Jude, you should persevere or you should strive hard to the entrance exam here in St. Jude. So although they must take an admission exam, transfer students are really admitted. So it is a co-ed school at Philippines. It can be boys, it can be girls. Um, in Manila, in the San Miguel, so it is near Malacanang Palace, and they have three languages available: English, Chinese, and Filipino. And the tuition fee is 90K, 128K pesos. So next is Pace Academy. So Pace Academy is a new school. I mean, 20 years of existing. Pace Academy opened last 2002, and Pace Academy moved to a new building. So Pace offered elementaries in 2004 and now offering high school. So Pace Academy opened last 2002. So the tuition fee is 60 to 80K pesos. Pace Academy is located in Sergeant Rivera, Quezon City, near it. I don't know, but Sergeant Rivera is near Caloocan. So it's really nice there. New buildings, new equipment. So try Pace. So next is Jubilee Christian Academy. In order to provide a well-balanced Christian education from preschool to high school that combines a Chinese curriculum and a depth ed curriculum, Jubilee Christian Academy is a Filipino educational, was founded in 1967. Today, Jubilee Christian Academy is the realization of a divinely inspired version of a reputable institution that offers Christian education in languages of English, Filipino, and Chinese. Since the inception, JCA has influenced its students for the Great Commission by preparing for greatness in the various spheres of our society. So Jubilee Christian Academy is a Christian school located they have two branches, E. Rodriguez and Doña Hemadi campus. So in Doña Hemadi, it is near in Robinson's Magnolia, and in E. Rodriguez, it is near Cubao. So the high school building is located, the kindergarten high school is located in E. Rod campus, and the elementary is in Doña Hemadi campus. So tuition fee here is 120K to 220K pesos. So next is MGC New Life Christian Academy. So MGC means Makati Gospel Church. So it is also a Christian school. MGC New Life Christian Academy located at Bonifacio Global City. It's a Bible-based Chinese Christian school recognized by developing learners who are excellent not only in academics but in also the Christian character. So this is built last 1991. So the tuition fee of this one is 180,000, 300,000 pesos. So next is Makati Hope Christian School. So Makati Hope is owned by Luke Rojas. So Makati Hope is a Filipino Chinese school in Makati, founded in 1985. I know if you study Makati Hope, I know someone that they're really conversational in English. So they are excellent in English by speaking to each other in English. So the tuition fee here is 120K, 180K pesos as of 2021. So next is Philippine Cultural College. So Philippine Cultural College is founded 1923. So it has endured several crises, conflict, war, and nature disasters, it has endured and grown into what is now, thanks to the assistance of the alumni. So, and the kind-hearted locals, Chinese Filipino. So, in Caloocan City, they built an annex campus, was built in 1967. So, the Philippine Cultural College is here in Manila. They have branch in Manila, and they have branch in Caloocan. So they have also the new branch in the college in Bitwason. So that's their college. So that's good news because you can study still Chinese in college, in Philippine Cultural College. So next is CCF Life Academy. CCF Life Christian Academy. So this is founded in 2013. PCF Life Academy to foster academic excellence, Christian character, and servant leadership among its students. The founder of Life Christian Academy is also the founder of CCF, the Christ Commission Fellowship. And the tuition fee here is 200,000 to 300,000 pesos. Kind of expensive, but you can try if you want. So next is Grace Christian College. So Grace Christian College is formerly known as Grace Christian High School. It opened its doors last 1950. It's an evangelical Protestant school that caters primarily Chinese Filipino students and provides education from pre-nursery to college. It is situated in Grace Village, Quezon City, Manila, Metro Manila, Philippines. So this is located in Grace Village, Quezon City. Um, so they opened their doors to have college last 2008. So it is called Grace Christian High School before 1950, but now it's already Grace Christian College. The tuition fee here is 90,000 to 130,000. Not bad at all. So this is one of the best schools in the Philippines, the Grace Christian College. So next, so this is a new school that it was built in last 2000. So Light Christian Academy. So the only purpose of Light is a K-10 academic institution. It is to exalt God in the lives of the pupils. Our major objective is to support students in realizing their full potential by assisting them in achieving excellence and growing in their faith. So as educational cultures deteriorate, Light was established to offer exceptional education that was creative and based love and respect. Light offers a family that is ready to provide care, nurturing, and secure sanctuary. So due to limited number of students and teachers, student ratio, each student receive more one-on-one time, like the results, instructors and students treat each other, and the pupils of brothers and sisters for fostering relationship that last alive. So Life Christian Academy is located in Grace Park West. So Grace Park West, it has a new building. The facilities are so superb and kind of budget, but it's really, really exciting. This tuition fee here is 80,000 pesos. So next is St. Peter Apostle School. In 1976, with the assistance of Father St. Peter Apostle School, welcomed to the young people of the parish. So at its first director, Vincent Blue, 40 children may comprise the first nursery class, and the class were held at Warren Parish House Social Hall. So St. Peter Apostle is one of the best schools in the Philippines because it was built in 1976 and it was located near Manila in near Quirino Avenue. They have nice buildings and beautiful structures and one of the best. So try here in St. Peter Apostle School. So now let's proceed to the Binondo schools. So first is St. Stephen High School. So the earliest Chinese Christian school in Luzon, Philippines, is thought to have been St. Stephen High School. So it it still began in St. Stephen Church in Manila, which was founded in 1903. It is currently under administration of Bishop Charles Henry Brent and the American Essex Mission in the Philippines. So the concept start a night school of young men was first convinced and realized in 1905. In keeping with the church mission is offering a place of worship and assistance, the Manila Chinese inhabitants become a Christian community. It was unused until 1909. Saint Stephen is located in Binondo, Manila, and what I love there is they have renovated their building, so it's really, really beautiful in St. Stephen's. So, and the Chinese quality is so superb because people there know how to speak Chinese. So next is Uno High School. So Uno High School is the founder of Uno is Don Domingo Yu Chu. Lifelong desire of opening Uno High School has become true. A well-known businessman from the Philippines Chinese heritage. He had an idea he would create a school for young in his late middle age. According to him, he would be doing his part to help shape next generation into better citizens of the nation. He evangelized the school where students might develop a clear sense of what is ethicality that's as beautiful as well a great awareness of values, and as a result that the school opened its doors in June 1960. The Uno High School is beautiful. That's where my mom came from when she was grade 1, and she said that Uno High School is it's a beautiful education because Uno High School has um nice Chinese. She know how to speak Chinese when she was grade 1, and it is really, really beautiful there because of the buildings and because of the facilities is okay, but Uno High School is located in Binondo. So next is Hope Christian High School. So Hope Christian is a non-stock, non-profit, and non-sectarian school. It's affiliated with a church that seeks to develop and transform students through academic growth, spiritual formation, and personal enrichment and social awareness. So Hope Christian High School is a Chinese school in Binondo, but I know they also renovated their buildings. So it is beautiful also in Hope Christian. It is located in the heart of Binondo, and they have really beautiful building. One of the best. These four schools is best in Binondo. So next is Chiang Kai-shek College. It's a Chiang Kai-shek College is a Chinese Filipino institution of higher learning founded by Chinese Filipinos, recognized by the government of the Philippines and Taiwan. And the school offers preschool, grade school, Xiaoxie, junior high school, Puchong, senior high school, Taotong, and college, Taxie. It is largest Chinese Filipino population in the Philippines. So it was located in Padre Alegre Street, Tondo, Manila, Philippines. The school is named after Chiang Kai-shek, the second president of Taiwan during the Kuomintang regime. So Chiang Kai-shek, many people are alumni of Chiang Kai-shek, like what you call this is a Paul Volcker. So Obiena, Mr. Obiena. So it was really beautiful in Chiang Kai-shek because if you study in Chiang Kai-shek, you will know how to speak Chinese after. So they're really excellent in Chinese, really, really excellent in Chinese. So so let's proceed to the provinces. So Cebu, in Cebu Eastern College, Sacred Heart School Ateneo de Cebu, and Philippine Christian Gospel School. In Laguna, there is one school, United Evangelical Church School Santa Cruz. In Baguio, one school also, Baguio Patriotic High School. La Union Cultural Institute. Pangasinan Universal Institute. Vineward Academy of Dagupan, Tarlac Living Faith Academy, Isabela Santiago Cultural Institute, Albay, Tabaco Peaching High School, Legazpi Hope Christian School, Camsur, St. Joseph School, Dumaguete Holy Cross High School, Bacolod Taitung High School, St. John Institute. So in Iloilo, Ateneo de Iloilo, Iloilo Scholastic Academy, in Leyte Progressive High School, Sacred Heart School, Tacloban, or Moxesan School in Cagayan de Oro, Chonghua School, Oro Christian Grace School in Davao, Davao Chonghua High School, Davao Christian High School, Stella Maris Academy of Davao, Philippine Academy of Sakya Davao, Colegio de San Ignacio, so Iligan City, Lanao Chonghua High School, Butuan, Timber City Academy. Most of my aunties study here because my auntie is from Butuan. So they're from Butuan. So it was built in 1947. So they have a new building, new plan building in Cotabato City Institute. So Zamboanga St. Joseph High School, I just St. Joseph School, and Zamboanga Albalok Xavier School, Pagadian Chamber School, General Santos Hope Christian School, and the bonus school is Chinese International School in Manila. So the tuition fee here is 400,000 to 500,000 pesos, and in BGC, and this is the most expensive Chinese school in the Philippines, built last 2007. So that's it, guys. So thank you for watching. So if you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope your child study, or you study in Chinese school. If you see this as a best, if your school is here, hit the comment and be proud to your school. Bye-bye.